Want to save $1 million on your tax bill in 2019? Welcome to Monday, Transportation in Minutes. There is something that can save you up to $1 million on your tax bill in 2019, and you better have a CPA who's talking to you about this. Heck, this shouldn't be the first time I'm introducing it to you. Your CPA should be bringing Section 179 to your attention, because Section 179 is in essence, an additional write-off that is available to you up to $1 million in 2019 and probably for the next couple years. Let me explain what I mean. If you buy a 2018 or 19 Peterbilt 379 long nose, and the price of the truck is $150,000, and you use Section 179 in 2019 because you bought and put the truck in service in 2019, those are really important. You can't buy the truck in 2019 and put it in service in 2020. You got to put it in service and buy it to claim the deduction in the same year. But if you did that, and your trucking company had $200,000 in net income, you would only be taxed on $50,000 worth of that income, because you would take the Section 179, your $200,000 in income would be reduced by $150,000, and you'd be taxed on $50,000. Now, depending upon what your tax rate is, you're talking tens of thousands of dollars in cash flow and tax savings. It's a big deal. Section 179 is something you should be talking to your CPA about it. Now, let me give you a little bit of the hidden alligator on 179. If there is a problem with it, and there aren't many problems with it, but if there is a problem with 179, you will take that $150,000 deduction and write-off in 2019. Guess what? You can't take any more deduction on that piece of equipment in 2020. You've now officially depreciated the entire vehicle because you took the write-off in the same calendar year that you bought it and put it into service. So what do you have to do? Next year, if your company makes $200,000, you got to pay the tax on $200,000, or you just go buy another piece of equipment, maybe 2, 3, 4, because you can buy up to $1 million worth of equipment and get the write-off. So if your company makes profits, think about 179 to get new equipment and get this write-off in the same year that you buy the equipment and the same year that you put it into service. Stick around for our bonus tip. Thanks for watching the whole video. Here is your bonus tip. I think you should go to the link below and play with the Section 179 calculator. If you're thinking about buying a $75,000 truck or a $100,000 truck or a $150,000 truck or maybe $1 million worth of equipment, use the calculator in the link below. Start to fill in the fields, hit calculate, and it'll spit out what the actual net cost, utilization cost of that equipment is by using the Section 179. It's a great bonus tip. Enjoy it. Thanks.